For today's tutorial, I will be going over on how to add a 2D reference view. First, go up to your View tab, hover over to your Navigations Aids panel, and then select the Reference View drop-down. Check mark the Plan view. Then in your model, navigate to a view that you want to reference as. To create a better 2D view, go to your Viewpoint tab, hover over to your Camera panel, and select the Perspective drop-down. Change the view to orthographic, and if it's grayed out, make sure to change your navigation tools from the Walk to Select. This should activate your orthographic perspective. Then right-click in your Plan View window, go to Look From, drop down to Current View, and it should update your plan view. When you are navigating in your model, the paper airplane icon in your reference view should display your location of where you're at in the model. For example, if I'm moving around in my model, the paper airplane will display my current position. Thank you for watching BIM at Bernards. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.